Hey there, tech enthusiasts! I'm Mark, the brains behind Worth It Repairs by Mark, your go-to destination for anything tech. From glitchy smartphones to finicky laptops to skybound drones. If it's broken, consider it fixed. You see this? This isn't just a cracked screen, it's a DIY adventure. I kicked off my YouTube channel about 4 years ago, and right now it's really revving up. It's been exhilarating. In addition to the repair tutorials, I do YouTube shorts. The YouTube shorts that I do are tech tales that are stories that happen to me during repairs. And then also I do repair tutorials. And one other thing is YouTube shorts with a little bit of music with it and just speed up the whole repair process without telling you how to do it. I have 7 years of professionally repairing people's devices all around in Fargo, North Dakota, and people sometimes ship me their device. You could even mail in your device to me if you wanted me to fix it. Email me at mark@worthitRepairs.com and we'll set all that up. Yep, I was knee deep in circuits and soldering before I was a teen, and other kids are still mastering their shoelaces. I'm about empowerment, folks. Fixing your tech might not always be a walk in the park, but trust me, anyone can do it with a little bit of guidance and determination.